Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to set up Go environment on Windows. First of all, let's go to go.dev and then click on download and click on over here to download the installation files. And when the download is done, just go to the folder and double click on the files and click next. And then make sure you check accept the term in license agreement and just click next. Choose the installation path. By default, it's going to be in Drive C, Program Files, and Go folder. Just pick the default setup. Just click next and click install. And click yes to confirm the installation. Then click on finish. And then you can open CMD or command prompt and type Go version to verify if Go have been installed successfully on your computer. You will see the Go version that are installed on my computer is version 1.24 and 4. Okay, the next step, we are going to create a folder over here and Go. I'm gonna name this project Go. And get inside the project, right click, open in terminal, and open this folder with Visual Studio Code. Okay, and if you go to an extension section over here, then search for Go, and I will click on the Go extension over here. Just click install. It will help you to code easily on Visual Studio Code. Okay, and we can create a new files over here. Hello.go. I'm going to close this one. I can close this one first. You can name the package over here as main, and then you can create a function main over here, and then you can print hello world over here. Okay, let's type hello Go. Because we have installed the extension for Go, so it's automatically import this function for me. Okay, let's open terminal over here and then go to command prompt, and then let's try to run these files and make sure that you save these files. And we can run these files by using command go run and then follow up with the name of the files, hello.go. Hit enter. See, you will see hello Go over here. Alright, this is all about how to set up Go environment on Windows. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.